Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nabilah and today I want to present about my thesis, the conversational implication used by main character in Birds of Prey 2020. So this is for the list of contents for chapter 1 introduction, chapter 2 related studies, review of literature and theoretical framework. And for chapter 3 is research methodology. So next is chapter 1. Background of the study: communication involves the transfer of message between individuals or organizations aiming to create understanding and relationships. Successful communication involves understanding and responding to implied meanings. Implicit speech, which involves more than literal words, is common in everyday activities, commercial, literature, and informal discussion. Implicit meanings can be used for various reasons, such as politeness or maintaining peace. And implicity is common in different cultures with a success oriented. Communication being preferred in advanced societies and directness in others. Understanding implicit communication can help avoid cultural misunderstanding. For the scope and limitation is the scope for the study is pragmatics, and the study aims to explore how meaning is created through conversational implication in the dialogues between the main character with the other characters. And the data was taken from Netflix. For objectives of the study is to identify the implication used in context in bird of prey and analyze conversational implication strategies used in bird of prey. For the statement of problem, the first is what types of implication used by the main character in bird of prey and what are the meaning of implication found in bird of prey. For function of the study, the function of the study is provide readers with a clear understanding and conversational implication used by main character in Bird of Prey, and to expand their knowledge of how these implications are applied within the film context. For the systematical presentation, for chapter 1, we talk about background of the study, scope and limitation, statement and objective, function of the study, and systematical presentation. For chapter 2, related studies, review of literature, linguistic, pragmatics, implication, type of implication, movie, and theoretical framework. And for chapter 3, approach of the study, data source, data collection, and data analysis. Next, move on for chapter 2 for related studies. The first study is conversational implication in the Green Book movie by Hidayati and Mahmud 2022, and the second study conversational implicature present in the movie A Star is Born by Ramadhani Arifin and Setiawati. For the third study is conversational implicature analysis and Kingdom at Heaven. Movie script by William Monahan by Akmal and Yana 2020. For linguistic is a scientific study of language including its structure, use, and development. It seeks to understand how language work, how they are learned and used, and how they change over time. For pragmatics is a branch of linguistics that examines how context, speaker, and intention and social relationships shape the meaning of the language in daily interaction. It focuses on how both spoken word and situational context influence the interpretation of expression. Review of literature. The implicature is refers to the meaning implied in a statement, even if it's not immediately expressed or clearly suggested in everyday conversation. Frequently express more than just the exact meaning of the word they use. And for the types implicature is risk. Classifies implication into two categories: conversational implication and conventional implication. For a movie, a film is an art form that stitches together a series of a moving image taken in a rapid sequence to create the illusion of continuous movement. And for theoretical framework, this theory of implication serves as guiding framework for investigating how speaker convey implicit meaning in communication. So for chapter 3 is research methodology, approach of the study. The aim of qualitative research is to gain a true knowledge of individuals of group experience and perspective on social or humanitarian issue. This technique differs from quantitative research, which emphasizes numerical measurement and statistical analysis. And for data source is the data for the study was sourced from the film Birds of Prey and available on Netflix. The analysis focuses on the dialogue between the main characters and the other characters. For the data collection, download the movie that will be analyzed and carefully observe and listen to the main character and the other character. It rinse and determine uh, the implicature in the movie. Categorize and classify data according to its category. For data analysis, Potel Potter says data lies in the sets of methods and techniques used to process and analyze data with the goal of extracting useful information and supporting decision making. This definition highlights that data analysis requires a variety of tools and methodologies which are selected based on the type of data and objective. Yeah, so that's all from me. I'm sorry if I'm have wrong um, with my uterine. So that's all from me. Thank you.